figure out how I wanted to set up my studio. So this will be it. So obviously that's where that's gonna stay. This is gonna be the booth right here, except it's gonna be like an open booth with all treated walls. Like the 3 walls will be treated. Probably have like a little chair right here, and then I'm gonna have a doorway right here that opens up. And obviously that microphone's gonna be all the way over in the corner there, so. Yeah, buddy. We primed. Tore it all away. Some spots a little light, but I'll go fuck. I'm at that point now. I just want to get it done. Oh yeah. I installed these shelves right here where the speakers are sitting on. They're sitting on these little bar stools before, but I think that looks a lot better. And I just put on the second coat. Still gonna wait for it to dry. Done other than just like fine finishing. So got the lights in here. The lights go to the music, as you can tell. Every time I talk I just switch, right? So got the sound panels all installed for now. I might switch it up in a bit, but yeah. There she is. Meditate through the madness and elevate into magic. Imagine I managed to ravage my inner sadness and pass it. My passion is packed in a package.